Hi guys, this is Tom from Draw Me Away, and in this video I will take you to the most beautiful places at Lefkada. Lefkada is a Greek island and a wonderful place to spend your holidays. The island is located in the Ionian Sea and is known for its beautiful nature, exotic beaches and cozy villages. Most tourists come here to relax, but there are many more things to do, such as hiking, sailing and kayaking. During my own holiday at Lefkada, I spent 1 week here and had just an amazing time. Especially if you are a beach lover, this is the right place to be. To help you find a nice place to stay during your holiday at Lefkada, I will put some links for you in the description below. Alright, let's start my drone and show you the best places to visit at Lefkada. Located along the northwest coast of Lefkada, there are some beautiful beaches. One of them is Mylos Beach. This is a long sandy beach in front of turquoise seawater, and the natural surroundings are just amazing. To visit Mylos Beach, you have two options. You can take the taxi boat at Agios Nikitas, or you can make a beautiful hike and enjoy some breathtaking views. Both options offering a unique experience, and in my opinion, Mylos Beach is one of the best places to visit during a holiday at Lefkada. Close to Mylos Beach, there's another beautiful place at Lefkada named Kathisma Beach. This is one of the longest beaches of the island. Right here, you can go for a swim or just relax and enjoy the sun. During summertime, there are plenty of sunbeds and umbrellas available. And when the evening falls, you can enjoy a beautiful sunset at one of the cozy hotels and beach bars. Another cool activity at Kathisma Beach is paragliding. When you ask the local residents about the most beautiful beach of Lefkada, there's a great chance they will send you to Porto Katsiki beach. This beach is located at the southwest coast of the island and is one of the highlights of Lefkada. The steep white rocks, the light blue sea and the green mountain, creating a landscape that attracts thousands of tourists every year. When you are on holiday at Lefkada, you have to see this magical place with your own eyes. To reach the beach, you can drive straight to it, or you can take the taxi boat at Vassiliki and Nidri. For one of the most breathtaking views of Lefkada, I recommend you to visit Lighthouse Tokato. This beautiful place is located at Cape Lefkada, all the way at the southwest coast of the island. From here, you have a panoramic view over the Ionian Sea and the steep coastline. And on a clear day, you can even see Kefalonia and Ithaca. Are you looking for the most popular tourist resort at Lefkada? Then Nidri is the right place for you. This lovely village is located on the east coast of Lefkada, and there are plenty of restaurants, hotels and souvenir shops. And there's another cool thing, because Nydri is surrounded by a beautiful natural environment. From here, you can easily visit the Dimosari waterfalls or explore the beautiful east coast. When we were here, we rent a boat and sailed to Meganisi Island. This is a little green island situated between Lefkada and the western coast of the Greek mainland. The island has a number of secluded beaches and it's an unforgettable experience to sail along the scenic coastline. Another beautiful place to visit during a holiday at Lefkada is Sivota. This is a small fishing village at the southeast coast, situated along one of the most beautiful bays of the island. Right here, you can enjoy a tasty lunch or dinner at one of the great restaurants. Another cool thing to do in Sivota is to rent a boat or kayak to discover some beautiful and secluded beaches. Just a few minutes away from the highest mountains of Lefkada, there's another beautiful place named Vassiliki. This is a lovely little beach town and a perfect place for windsurfing. During the summer season, Vassiliki belongs to one of the most popular places at the south coast of Lefkada. The next beautiful place on Lefkada is a typical Greek village named Agios Nikitas. Here you will find some nice hotels, a small sandy beach and some really good restaurants. Also, Agios Nikitas is a perfect destination to visit Mylos Beach and enjoy a pleasant holiday vibe. A holiday at Lefkada isn't complete without a visit to Lefkada City. This is the capital city of the island and a really nice place for shopping and sightseeing. When you enter the island by car, you will notice that Lefkada City is connected to the mainland by a floating bridge. And close by, there's a beautiful beach named Agios Beach. If you are looking for a nice day trip during your holiday at Lefkada, I recommend you to visit a beautiful place in the Greek mainland named Parga. This is a popular beach town with a rich history, colorful houses and an amazing bay. Do you like beautiful views? Then I recommend you to climb all the way to the top of the cliff, where you will find an old castle and enjoy a stunning view over the city. To get to Parga, it's up to 1.5 hour driving, and during the trip you can enjoy some beautiful sightseeing. Alright, that's it guys. I hope this video gave you some inspiration for your own holiday at Lefkada. Do you already have an idea which beautiful places you want to visit? Please let me know in the comments below. In any case, I had a wonderful time here and I can't wait to go back again. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more epic drone videos. You can also find me on Instagram at DroneMeAway or visit my website at dronemeaway.com. It's Tom, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.